and welcome back to Code Rebel. I am Shivam Dubey and today we are diving into a world of data analysis in Python with Pandas. If you are new to our coding channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our community of Code Rebel. Today we are kicking off our brand new playlist Pandas where we all explore how to manipulate and analyze data efficiently. Let's get started by learning how to create a data frame from a list. This is a fundamental skills for any data analyst. And so we have started a playlist for introduction to Python for a basic learn basic in 15 questions here. First one is pandas data structure. First one we have create a data frame from a list. So here pandas is a data manipulation. Pandas is a pandas is a powerhouse of a data manipulation libraries in Python. In Python. It is simplified tasks from data cleaning to complex data for transformation and analysis. The core structure is a pandas and the series and data frame, where series are array or data frames are table with rows and column of a data. So our problem statement is create a data frame from a list. Write a solution to create a data frame for a story list of student data. This story list contains the IDs and some student name. So today problem is a simple yet foundational. We will create a data frame here. We will create data frame. Data frame for a story list called story list called a student data. Student data, and in a list it contain these student ID, student ID and age, which we will get here organized into a well formatted of a data frame. The task is to work crucial for dealing with data imported for the various sources of our presented in the list format. Let's jump into a code. First, make sure you have installed a Python. Install a Python in our environment variables. And next, you have to install a pandas. Pandas, you have installed for a pip install pandas. The pip install pandas in your terminal. Now let's import our pandas here. Create our student list data list and create a student data list and create a student in data list. First one, we have to import a pandas. Import pandas as PD. Here we have here student data, student data is equals to 115 into 11 year T 11 and next 420. Here we have initializer in list for a contain student ID, student ID, age. We have called for a student data information. Next, first we have imported a pandas and we have initialized for a student data frame. And next we will use for a pd dot a data frame. Next, we use from the pd dot data frame to transform the list into a data frame. To transform a list from a data frame in data frame. And we will specify the column name directly. We use a column as a parameter. And so let's put our code here. I will write here df our data frame is pd dot data frame in data frame here student data student data here we have slash per column in columns in bracket between student ID student ID and next our parameter is a column. Next column is our age. The next after initialize layer, next we have here print data frame print data frame. And so our code is here. First step, first import our import data frame, import our pandas library. Next, import our standard data, instant data load, and next we use a pd.data frame. In third step, pd.data frame, and after that df is equals to pd.data frame student data, and next column student id and age. Next we have print the df. pd.data frame, to transform the list of a data frame, we specify the column, and that is the column parameters. Next, move ahead, we have written a code here. Import pandas as pd. In df is equals to pd.data frame a student data, a column student id, next our agent, and print pandas as pd. Let's create a data frame student data list, and pd.data frame, create a data frame here. df equals pd.data frame student data, and column student id and age is written a df. And so let's go ahead. So we have solved this problem, and that's it. We have successfully created our data frame from a list. As you can see, pandas make it incredibly straightforward. This operation is fundamental when you start working with a larger data set and need to perform more complex data manipulation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us thumbs up and give a comment below about what pandas topics you would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to Code Rebel for a more tutorial like this. Stay curious and keep coding. Thanks for watching.